Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need to act now. Boot Windows into safe mode so Windows won't lock the display driver files. Once in safe mode, open Device Manager and enable Show Hidden Devices. This reveals non-present adapters and ghost entries. You should right-click the missing display device, select Properties, then Details, and copy the first hardware ID string. These ID let you match the exact vendor and device. Make sure to save them to a note for the next download step. With the hardware ID saved, search the manufacturer's driver repository or Microsoft Update Catalog and download the exact package version. Don't guess with generic drivers. Once downloaded, return to Device Manager, right-click the missing display adapter and choose Update Driver, browse My Computer, and then let me pick from a list. Click Have Disk if you downloaded an INF. Install the matched INF package. This replaces the missing entry with the correct driver. After installation, reboot into normal Windows and confirm the display adapter appears with a working driver in Device Manager. Open Display Settings to verify resolution options. If drivers fail or cause instability, roll back to the previous driver or perform a clean install. Alternatively, use the In Safe mode to fully remove remnants before reinstalling. If the adapter still vanishes, make sure the GPU is seated correctly or enabled in BIOS. One key troubleshooting tip: use the to eliminate corrupted driver traces before repeating the install.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.